Hey everybody, I'm trying to get organized here. In this video I want to show you how to create the incline support exercise, which is on page 239, and it's exercise number 1 in the handy dandy Parametric Modeling with Autodesk Inventor 2021 book. I don't know if y'all can see that, but anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna show y'all how to go through and complete that. So it says that the all dimensions are in inches. So I'm going to go up to File. I'm going to go up to New. I'm going to go to English. I'm going to use the standard inch IPT template. I'm going to go to Create. I'm not going to worry about creating a project folder here. All right, so I'm going to go to Start 2D Sketch. I'm going to select the XY plane. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start by drawing the sketch of the outside kind of shape of this incline support. So I'm using a line tool. I like to start on the origin as click on that green dot. Just kind of, I'm not worried about the dimensions here. I'm just dragging it over. I'm just gonna kind of draw the basic shape. So it goes over, it goes up. It's kind of an angle here, straight across. Yeah, I got that shape. I got that shape way out of proportion there. But anyway, I'm gonna come way over. I'm gonna come down a little bit. Oops, messed that up. That's okay. I'm gonna show you how to fix that. Come straight over. Come back down where we started, back on that green dot. So I'm gonna right click, hit OK. So now I need to start by making these dimensions what they need to be. So I'm gonna go to Dimension. I'm gonna click this line, drag it down. I like to start with the biggest dimension first. And fix it. So that's 3. You'll notice it gets kind of way wonky here. Then what I want to do is, let's see, I'm gonna kind of grab, oh, I can't do that. That was not good. You're gonna notice when I try to fix some of these dimensions, this thing is gonna get wonky. It's gonna get wonky. So this is gonna be 1.5. I told you, it's gonna get wonky. This dimension from here to here is 2. Kind of starting to kind of fix itself. So, and then this dimension from this dot to this dot is 0.75. This dimension is 1. From this dot to this line here, that's 1.25. What else do we got here? I need to see how these lines are they're at an angle. What I want to do is I'm going to use my constraints. So my vertical constraint, I'm going to click that. I'm going to click this line. Let's see, let me click this line and then the vertical constraint. Now it straightens that up. It also straightened this one out here too. So we're good to go with that. So this one, I'm going to make this dimension 0.5. This dimension is 0.25. This dimension here is 0.75. So now our shape is looking It's looking mighty good. Just kind of going around double checking, making sure I got, now I'm not worried about that circle right now. Looks like we got it. Looks like we got that like it should be. It says fully constrained down here. So we have all the dimensions on it that we need. I'm going to hit the check mark to finish the sketch. Then what I'm going to do, it says the incline support, the thickness is 0.5. So I'm going to go to extrude. And I like to extrude it kind of out of the way of my dimension. So I'm going to go, I extrude it to the back. It's up to you how you want to do it. And then, that, like I said, the thickness is 0.5. Hit OK. So now all I need to do is draw the circle, or cut that circle hole out of it. So I'm going to go back to my Start 2D sketch. I'm going to click on this face here. And then I'm just going to draw a random circle. Just somewhere here. And now I'm going to dimension it. I want this diameter of this circle is 1. It almost jumped off, but we barely made it. And then the dimensions from the center of this circle to this edge is 1. And the dimension from the center of this circle, the center to the bottom, is 1. So then we got that. It's fully constrained as well. Hit the finish check. Now I just need to extrude cut that hole out of there. So I want it to go, I want it where it says Boolean. I want to use the cut feature. And then the distance, I want it to go through all. And then just hit OK. And so there's our incline support. Make sure that you save it. I'm going to call it inclined support. You might put your name on it too. So I'm going to put Leach. There we go. Hit save. And there we go. Nice and neat.